Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Until now, we had seen how blogging can help you earn an income. But today we'll see how can you increase the traffic for your blog. So today we look at 3 best and free traffic sources for your blog. The first source is Instagram. Instagram has great potential to develop your business, guys. You must know how to use it the right way for your business to grow, and this is applicable for all types of businesses. So, the first thing you must take care of is to be consistent. Let's say that you have created an account for your business. You must make sure that you are consistent with your posts. At least in the beginning, you'll have to make around 2 to 6 posts every day. Only then the audience will get engaged. But this doesn't mean that you make all the 6 posts together, nor should you post anything that is vague just for the sake of, increasing your number of posts. You'll have to keep time intervals between each post. So, for example, if you're planning to make 3 posts in a day, then the first one can be around 8 o'clock in the morning, the second one in the afternoon around 1 p.m., and the third one in the evening around 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock. And then once you have developed your number of followers, you can look at the stats and post according to the time when your followers are most active. And the software that you can use for creating your posts is canva.com. I have mentioned about this in various other videos also. So it is a free software with n number of options, and you can use that for creating posts very easily. The second thing under Instagram you'll have to take care of is hashtags. And if you don't use hashtags, or if you don't use the right hashtags, then in my opinion you are losing 50% of your audience. And here one of the major mistakes most of you make is using the hashtag that most of the other accounts are using, even if they are not related to your post. We do it only because that particular hashtag it gives higher reviews. Never do that, because what happens here is that are a large number of people using the same hashtag, right? And this will lead to your posts not coming at a higher rank, and it will give ranks to only those account that has a greater number of followers and views when compared to your account. So avoid to use these type of hashtags. So to avoid this, your hashtag selection should be between 7 with 3,000 to 10,000 post range, 10,000 to 25,000 post range for 10 sets, 50k to 200k for 5 sets, and it can be 200k to 1 million post range for about 4 sets to use the hashtag. So basically here your goal it should be to get ranked first under the hashtag that you're using. Only then your visibility will be higher. And how many hashtags can you use? So the maximum limit that Instagram allows is 30, and as of my suggestion, I would suggest you to use 15 to 27 hashtags for your posts. So this is how you can build traffic for your blog. And there are many more things like this, you can do through Instagram, like how to make $1,000 using Instagram and more such things. So if you wish to know more about such strategies, as in how to use Instagram to its fullest potential and how to earn more money through it, how to build your business account, then we have this Instagram Mastery ebook for you guys. You can purchase and learn many more tricks about Instagram. So for those who are interested in buying the book, I'll give the link in the description below. You can check it out from there. The second source for building your traffic is Pinterest. This is one of the best ways to drive traffic to your blog. Now here also consistency plays an important role. This is not only for Pinterest guys and or Instagram, but when it comes to social media as a whole, consistency is very important. And to get ranked in Pinterest, you must look at SEO, that is search engine optimization. Let's have a look at it. So here we are on the page of pinterest.com. So for example, let's search for weight loss. So these are the posts that have been ranked first. Let's take this post for example. So this is a promotional post for their ebook on Shopify. So as you can see, this is the title of the book. So how did this get ranked? It was done through SEO. So here, self-hypnosis for weight loss, can it help? And the description here, the simple, easy and effective way to lose weight. To lose weight is the key word here. Next here, they just can't seem to lose weight. Again, second time it has been used. The third time it has been used here. So here, lose weight is the focused keyword that they have used, and hence it has been given thrice in the description, right? So this is how you can rank your post. That is, use the keyword that your audience searches for in the title and in the description, and use it, and but use the keyword sensibly in the description in a sentence, don't put it randomly. It should be used sensibly in the form of a sentence. So this is how it works. And if you see here, they do not have much followers, but still they have been ranked higher. And this is only and only because of SEO. So this is how important and effective SEO is. The next one is Quora. Quora is an important source for building your visibility and reach, especially if you're a blogger. And it is very simple to operate on Quora, guys. You'll find a lot of people who have asked questions related to your niche, and all you must do is answer to their questions. This is how you can promote your links. Let's have a look at it. So this is Quora. Here you can search for a question related to your niche. For example, how to increase YouTube subscribers. So you will get all these options here, and let us select this one. So this question has 3 follows and people have already answered to this question, but it's not that great, so let's look for something else. Now you don't have to think of any other question and type. Instead, you get a list of related questions here. You can just look at those. Let's select this one. So now this question has more views but less follows. So let's change the question again. Now this has 183 follows and it has more views. So you can answer to this question by clicking here. And the greater number of followers, the better it will be for your reach. So this is the text box where you can type your answer for this question. So I'll just paste the paragraph that I have already copied. So here is your answer. Now you have given your answer. Instead of directly pasting your link like this, the better option for you is to create a hyperlink. So here you can select your keyword and click on this icon and then enter the URL there where you wish to direct your audience. So for example, if you've created a post on your blog related to thumbnail, then you can paste that link here, or you can just type read more after your answer and create a hyperlink for a related article. So if you want to build your Quora profile, there are some things that you must take care of. The first one is to answer at least one question per day, and don't add any link in the first 10 days. That is for 10 days, 10 questions. So first you must focus on giving a valuable answer to your audience, and then maybe after 10 days you can start adding the hyperlinks to your blog. The second one is adding your website in the bio description. And guys, do not be concerned if you do not know how to answer certain questions. You can very well just search on Google, get an understanding of your own, and then write an answer accordingly. It is totally fine to do that. And in case you feel that your grammar is not strong enough, then you can use this app called Grammarly. You can download the free Chrome extension and use it. I'll give its link as well in the description below, so you can download it from there if you want. If you follow all these things that I've mentioned in this video for 1 month, then you can definitely increase the traffic for your blog. Let me know in the comment section below if this video was helpful and the result that you have got for your blog after 1 month. So that's it for today's video, guys. Before leaving, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.